Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you the progress. This is about 1 week of growth since the germination date on these little corn kernels here. I'll just turn it so you can see. So we've got the growth where the leaves will start growing here, and then we've got the taproot right here. So hopefully you can see that. I let these go a little bit too long, and these need to get planted, so I'm going to start planting them in some of these today, and I'll come back after I've done that. So you want to really gently get that into the ground without breaking that taproot. So here we are about 10 minutes later, and I have just planted all of those, and I have watered them, and I've really tried to be careful getting those tap roots down and the little bit of stem pointing upward. I had two that didn't start off, but I put them in this little cavity just to see what's going to happen here. There's one there. So I've got all of those done. There's one. And there's the second one. And then our last one. So today's date is June the 19th. We'll lock that in as the planting date, and I will keep you up to date on the plants as they progress. So that's it for this really fun video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. And if you like to bake, make sure you check me out on my recipe channel over at youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And you can also catch me there on Facebook over at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.